treasure train. Give me 5, 4 or 5. Or 1. Three in the middle. Alright, that's a bad one. Absolutely terrible. Got it on the next machine. Got the bonus in the next machine, so we'll keep flipping back and forth. This is a good one here. What do we have? 130. Backup spin. Alright, let's stay there. We just got it here. Max bet. 3 mines. Let's go with 6 free games. Good spin. Alright guys, we just need one in the middle. That's all we need. Please and thank you. Ay, ay, ay. Missed it as usual. That would have been grand eligible. Guys, we got it there too. We're killing it on 2 machines. Alright, this is awesome. This is about 160 maybe? 165, 74. Beautiful. Alright, back here. I'll keep you guys occupied with 2 machines. That's not a cool spin. Alright, 2 or 3, let's do it. 2 or 3. Or dead spin. Okay. Better than nothing. There you go. Neighbor's in it. don't do that to me. Come on, just one. 3 dead spins where we really needed them. That was ugly, really ugly. You got me excited. So much potential. Oh, we got it on the next one. So many. Look at that with extended reel. This is insane. All right, one of them is gonna give us the grand, guys. This was 146. Back up. One more. All right, double decker. Be nice now. All right, the bottom one has some potential. Top one has way bigger potential now. Give me 2 in every spin. We need 1 more or 2 more on the top. We fill it up. Last chance, save it. Dead spin, just dead spins, man. It had so much potential. I'm just still salty about it. Alright, we get a minor. The top one is major. Alright, look at that. It's a 10 wheeler. See if we can catch that major. It's not the highest, but it'll be a hand pay. The major neighboring machines is not resetting, so I don't think we have it. It should be more than this. Give me some minors, yeah. Best one, alright. And we just had it here too, so let's keep it going. Alright guys, double decker, max bet paid us 427. Close to 100 times our bet, that's nice. Started on this machine with $300, we're up to $14.72. And let's see what's happening here. Another max bet. Fill it up in the middle. Oh my God. 2 more, guys. Can we get it? One time only. 2 at the bottom. Let's do it. Another dead spin where we needed it. Still beautiful, guys. We're getting 10 wheelers every 2 minutes. on, big numbers. You can do better than that. Okay, that's a little better, little better. On major. That's pretty. We got it here. At the end of every bonus, we get another bonus. This is absolutely nuts. Look at that, 320. And again, I put in $200 in this machine. 558, back to back. All right, let's get this back to back. This time, let's go with 12 free games. This machine is very quiet, even though volume is all the way up, so do it. That was double decker and extra spin. That would have been amazing. Half the way in. Save it, last one. Alright, 67 bucks, pretty bad. But since we've been getting back-to-backs, I cannot complain. Look at that, back-to-back. Ah, two more, neighbor. What's happening? Alright, give me one in the middle and I'm done. How much was that? 116. Gorgeous. Alright, let's try this machine now. Alright guys, I think we should call a session maybe in a minute. Oh my god. The video's getting long. And if something crazy happens, I'll come back and show you the bonus. But you have an idea about how lucky today is on this game. Eureka Treasure Train. It's got usually 7 cold days and then you get 1 hot day like this where there's bonuses everywhere. So keep that in mind when you try it. Alright, we're not gonna take it below 400. Four more spins or give us the bonus. There you go, double decker. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. This is out of this world, guys. Max bet, double decker. This is where magic happens. Perfect location, they're all together. Give me 4 at the first spin, and we can have potential. That's 3, that's good. I like that. We need 2 at the bottom one. You know where to place them. Oh my goodness. You can do it. Come on, bottom one, save it. Missed it again. While waiting, we got it there, guys. It's on non-stop bonuses here. Oh, that's pretty. So we are up more than $1,500 on these both machines in 20 minutes, 25 minutes. All right, this was good. Not the ideal. $200, pretty decent. We'll do a backup spin. Oh my goodness. All right, let's start this one here. 12 free games. Yes, double decker right away. Bonus in the bonus. This is nuts. Guys, this is just unbelievable. I don't have the words. All right, that's 3. Now give me 4 or 5. I'm sorry, I demanded. All right, one top corner, top left, do it. Missed it. Got it again here. I'm just unbelievable today. All right, come on, Major. Major is $1,120. Am I gonna get the major? Do it. All right. acceptable. Alright guys, this was another amazing one. What, 250 maybe? Or maybe close to 300 actually. 283. What an amazing... Oh, we're still in the bonus. I forgot. That was a bonus in the bonus, guys. Got 9 free spins to go. This is absolutely amazing. Look at that. Oh my god. Wilds. I love them wilds. Look at these line hits. Amazing. Yes. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is like a really nice bonus, guys. The last one. Look, 500 bucks. 360. We're more than $2,000 in this machine. 2 backup spins here on Max Bet. Alright, we'll be back. We have a bonus here. I hope you guys are not bored with my bonuses. It's not impressive when they're every 2 minutes, right? That's a really good problem to have. Fill it up. Give me 2 in the middle, you can do it. Oh, just enough. That's letter A sideways, guys. $67, not the best. All right, I think we should call it quits. Look at this line hit. This video is getting really long. It's 24 minutes so far, and there's no ending to the bonuses. So I'll bring you the next amazing one. All right, thank you guys for watching. We will be back with the grand and the last one. Thank you again.